Hey guys, welcome to my channel. This is Simply Alma. If you like budgeting, that snowball updates, cash envelope stuffings, then go ahead and like and subscribe and keep watching for my that snowball update. I hope everyone's doing well. I haven't filmed. I can't even tell you the last time I filmed. But I am from Houston, so we did catch that winter storm. So anyone from Texas, I hope all is well, and like always, we'll get through. You know, like they say, Texas strong, Houston strong. We'll definitely get through this one. I believe Sundays when that kind of storm started coming in, I lost power for 2 days, and my full-time job shut down completely the whole week. It is a school district, so they just shut down the whole week. I did go a few times to have to check the building. My part-time job, they had no cashiers. So I popped in one day to kind of see if I needed to work at night, and, you know, was told not to. I was told to come in the next day if I could, so I worked several extra hours that last week due to that. So, but anyway, so, you know, weekly check-in, my second paycheck budget, everything's a mess. So I'm not even gonna, you know what, just start over. That's all you do. I mean, I didn't go too bad over budget, but I didn't keep count. I didn't track. You know, it was kind of like, since I went into work, I grabbed what I can and just paid and left, and try to get water, try to get food or whatever we could. So today I'm gonna do my debt update, because even with all that, I was able to pay off a debt. Let's see. You see, this is, okay, let me give you this is my weekly check-in. So this would have been my last week. So, and this one, this one, starting with this one. So these two done out. I don't know what I spent. My worst will probably be groceries. I definitely went over. Gas, I did not. Eat out was another one I went over. And that was it. And this week I'm just also kind of just throw it away with the other week. But I believe it was a Friday night that I didn't notice, but my income tax kicked in. So I got around $2,500. So I am gonna today, actually, was it today? Yesterday. So this went through. I'm done with this. This is done and over with. No more. So this is actually paid off. So I did pay off my Amex. Zoom in. If y'all see this little coaster, Tempest makes these. Tempest XOXO. She's the same one that I usually get my stickers from. So cute, guys. So definitely go check out her shop. But okay, back to this. Let's see. So 25, 53, 54 done, paid off. And Discover, I have news on that one. So, since my Bank of America has been paid off, I called today to see, I called yesterday. I called yesterday to see if they had any promotional transfer balance, offers for me or anything. They did, 0% for 18 months. So I transferred this balance over. So you won't see Discover anymore. You'll now see the Bank of America. But this will be 0%. I plan to do the same thing like I did my Amex, is pay this one off by next year. So Best Buy is my smallest, but Best Buy I have till October to pay this off with 0 interest. And this will get done in a few. It might even get done this week. And then I'll start attacking this one. So, nails. Do y'all see this? This was a hint on the trip I was supposed to go on. So we had a trip planned to Hawaii. 2 couples with our kids. Couples we hang out with every weekend. It's my boyfriend's best friend, his girlfriend, and her kids. And this is the 3rd time we've tried to book this trip, and it's gone to crap, basically. So we ended up having to cancel. Bad news on that is I'm going to have a debt added. So I did not know the tickets that were purchased were non-refundable. So the trip was going to be $700. So and I did have rollover money, and I did have, my travel fund was up to $600. That was, we had already had paid the condo we were going to rent, the car rental. So all that was paid for. So basically, we were just going to pay PayPal in months, and then that was it, So that trip went to crap, like I said. So that ticket's non-refundable. So that's about, what I actually had. The total number was $735. That I'm going to have to be paying. I have 6 months, no interest to pay that. And I have that as a credit. So I didn't know this. Had I known, I probably would have paid some of that off and then some of my Amex, since I still have about 2 months for my Amex to pay off. But I didn't know until after I paid this. So same thing. It's not going to go to waste. We have till next year, February 2022, to use the credits we have. So let's see. I kind of wrote down a plan on a scratch. Usually when I'm on my break, I kind of doodle and kind of play with numbers. So I'm going to move this out of the way and just grab just a sheet out of my Erin Condren. And we're going to kind of plan our next debt snowball. And this debt snowball will be for March. So let's see. Okay. So in my bank right now, I have, let's see, should I call it a rollover? I guess, because it's leftover, rollover. So I have about $500. And really, this is the money that was left over that I transferred from my travel fund. So it's still sitting in my bank. This is still sitting in my bank. This is the reason I have not put it back to travel, because I'm still debating if I want to put this back in there or just use it towards the debts that I have and just start all over on my travel fund, since we don't have any plans to travel until maybe August for my birthday. So my check is gonna be about, let's see. Sorry guys, I thought I was prepared, but well, you know what? I'm not gonna too much count my check. I guess I could. Okay, well, let's just, so I have this for sure. I'm also gonna have a tanda that I created. It's gonna be my turn. A tanda is, with Hispanics, they kind of do it almost as a loan that's interest-free. One of my coworkers wanted me to create one. So basically, we have a group of 10 people. We trust them. Like, it's people I work with, people I trust. So we give, I wrote out our pay dates because we all work for the district. So I put out all our pay dates, which we get paid twice a month. So then I let them choose a date or a month, like January, like June 15, June whatever, June. This is going to last 5 months. So whoever chose, this started February 15th. Whoever chose the 15th, we all give her $100. That's $1,000 she gets right then and there. Mind you, this is also going to be an extra $200 payment on me because it's basically, like I said, a loan you're getting interest-free. So my turn is this coming week. So I will be getting that $1,000. So with that, that's $1,500. Now, with, yes, 5, 8, okay. Plus, I'm also going to have leftover with my check. I know I'm going to have leftover, which I should have calculated that. Let's see. I'm trying to go back. Let me go. Kind of a mess today, as you can tell. Okay. We're going to go by these numbers. So, okay. All right, so let's do some math. Okay, that is... I'm sorry, I don't remember my check amount, so now they're pulling out some extra insurances that I added this year. Okay. Yeah, this is it. Okay, so 1198.87 plus, okay, and I know my Walmart check is gonna be pretty on the 600 side, so we're just gonna go 575. Okay, so that gives me $1,773. So let's start deducting. So it's gonna be the mortgage, $579. Okay, my car payment was $62.11. My internet, I think it was $35 this time. Cell phone. My Amex is done. My Bank of America, we're just gonna leave it. we're going to do my normal Discover payment. That leaves me with $712 cash envelopes. So let's do $150 groceries. Let's do 40 gas, 25 household, 20 self-care. My spend is 50. Eat out is 60. My son is 20. And date is going to be 20. So this leaves me with 327 left over. So then let's just be safe and do 300. And we're just going to put part-time. So the total I am going to have is 1,800 left over. Now this, I still haven't deducted sinking funds or any of this. So we're going to go ahead and pay off this Best Buy with this. Best Buy, I believe my balance is like 900. So let's do 900. And then that's going to leave me with 900 to distribute. Now, with this 900, I think I'm going to just go ahead and fill up my sinking funds. It may take like 400. I'm going to say 400 for sinking funds. So let's, you know what, let's just, that's what it's going to be. Sinking funds, 400. And then the 500 I have left over. We're going to go ahead and put that I think I have a balance on Bank of America because not everything went through on the balance transfer. So we're just going to say the leftover is going to go to here. And that's it. That's how I plan to do my March snowball. Okay. So how have y'all been holding up? Have y'all been paying down your debt? I'm sorry that this video was like a little everywhere. So today was my day off. Tomorrow I have plans to go out with some of my girls. So I was like, you know what? Just let me do this now. I still have to cook dinner for my son. So like, let me do this. It might be a mess, but I'm here. I'm still trucking along, trying to pay down this debt and get my finances in order. So I hope you guys have a great evening. Like and subscribe. If you have any questions, go ahead and leave them down. Any comments, go ahead and put them down below. And have a good night. Thank you.